Here, this is one of my campaign. Wait. Last day of my campaign today! Oh my gosh, hanggang 12 a.m. na lang to, be. Nawala, hindi ko kaya. Ako, Indonesia. Ako, Filipina. I'm from the Philippines. Mag-iipit ako kasi ang bogag ng hair ko. Tinulog ko kasi to kanina ng basa eh. Natulog ako 6 p.m. 6 p.m. ako natulog, tapos ang alarm ko talaga 8 kasi magla-live ako dapat ng 9 since last day of my campaign nga. Kaso, hindi ko kaya kanina bumangon ng 8. I'm from Bogor, Indonesia. Wow! Is it far from Bali? I've been to Bali. 2 years ago. Yeah, almost 2 years. 2 years, almost 2 years. 2 years ago ba? 20, almost 3 years ago. Iman lagi manja, laging diri mo sadya. Biruan. Diri mo sadya. Iman lagi manja, laging diri mo sadya. Wait, teka lang guys ha. Popost ko lang yung ko. Never mind. Masyadong mahaba pala. On music. Why? Ang kalat talaga ng buhok ko. Nagiging si Erica na ako voice over. Wow, Siege! Thank you! Maiksi pa rin pala yung hair ko. Ang pangat ng pagkatuyo ng buhok ko. Hindi ko gusto, parang laki-laki ng ulo ko. Yan mo. Sobrang nalukot. Siege, thank you. Very good. Thank you. How do you say your name? Siege, thank you. OP? Wow, yeah, that's one of my goal. Let's go. Thank you, Siege. Hanggang 12 lang pala ako. Kaya nga top 31 na ako. Kahapon kaya top 29 na ako. Sana makapasok ako sa top 20. My goal is to enter top 20. Hi, Zairi. Bet ko yung wala kang brace. Ako din. Same tayo, ma. Wow! OP! Terima kasih! Terima kasih, sayang ko. I call my supporters and the people who are supporting my live and the people who are some of my friends, I call them sayang ko. Are you one of my sayang? Titinda ko ng binatog. Titinda ka ng binatog? Zairi, thank you guys. If you want to support me through virtual gifts, I have a campaign, virtual gifts campaign. It's up until 12 a.m. na lang. 12 a.m. only. I hope to reach my goal before the day ends. Siege, thank you. OP, thank you. How can I call you? How do you pronounce your name? Guys, todo nyo na pag-drop. Todo nyo na daw. Wala pa ata yung iba nating mga mafia eh. Panalunin si Mahal sa campaign. Alam mo, one of my regret is hindi ko, just call me Upi. Upi! Okay. How old are you, Upi? If I'm gonna speak to you, I'm gonna speak in English, okay? But if I'm gonna speak the majority of my viewers, I'm gonna speak in Filipino, okay? Tagalog. We have a little bit of similarities like mata, elong, or erong. Like, we have little bit of similarities in words. Okay. So, ayun na nga. Isa sa ano ko mahal. Isa sa medyo, sayang. Nagsisisi ako na hindi ko kinampaign to kagad. Sana to na lang yung kinampaign ko kesa yung isa. Kasi wala naman nangyari. Hindi ko alam actually anong nangyari dun sa campaign ko. Pero ito may plaque tsaka or may trophy. To sayang talaga. Top 3 lang yung may trophy. Pero top 20, parang mayroong boosting ganyan. Okay na rin. At least makukuha, di ba? Pero yung top 3 sana talaga may plaque. Kaya yun. Sobrang kaya yun. Yung ano pala yung points pala neto, nag-a-add sa views, sa hours ng live. What the meaning mahal? Meaning of mahal is sayang ko. Sayang ko. Yeah. Sayang ko is my love, right? Love. Hi, Nika! Good evening! Hi, sayang ko. Yeah, I call them sayang ko. I call them mahal. So, sayang. Sana makapasok ako kahit sa top 20 lang. So much for that. Nagpo-post pala ako. Hey, sayang ko. Mahal is sayang ko. Yeah. My love. Nika, thank you. Ay, Nico, meron akong campaign. I have a campaign. If you're gonna drop more, I have a specific virtual gifts